In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scorecard. Whether you're familiar with data visualization tools or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process, helping you create a concise and clear scorecard that highlights essential metrics. This will allow anyone viewing your dashboard to grasp the key insights immediately. Let's begin by heading over to your report in edit mode. You'll want to focus on the toolbar, where you'll find various options for enhancing your report. What we need here is the Add a Chart option. Click on that, and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, select Scorecard. Clicking this will allow you to incorporate a scorecard directly onto your dashboard. Next, click on the canvas area where you'd like to position your scorecard element. This is quite flexible, so feel free to choose a location that best fits your overall report layout. Moving over to the Setup panel on the right-hand side, this is where you'll shape the essence of your scorecard. First, you'll need to select the data source. This is crucial because the source you choose will determine the data that populates your scorecard. Make sure it's the correct one for your needs. Once that's set, look for the metric, or what's sometimes referred to as the primary field. Here you'll decide on the specific metric you want to display. Think of key indicators like total sales or monthly revenue. Now, if you'd like to add some depth to your scorecard, consider the optional step of selecting a comparison date range. This could be a comparison with the previous period, the same period last year, or even a custom range you determine. This step provides context, allowing viewers to quickly assess how the current numbers stack up against those from past periods. Another customization option is applying a filter. Filters help you narrow down the data displayed, making it possible to highlight particular subsets, such as data from only one region or data pertaining to a specific product category. Once your data elements are in place, switch focus to the Style panel. This panel is where you customize the visual aspects of your scorecard. Start by formatting your numbers. Compact numbers like 553.9K instead of 553,900 can save space and make your scorecard look clean and professional. You can also adjust the font size, color, and alignment for better visual appeal. If you're using comparisons, set distinct colors to indicate positive or negative changes, providing instant visual feedback. And as an extra visual cue, consider adding a sparkline if your metric allows it. These small trend lines offer a snapshot of data trends over time. After you've styled your scorecard to your satisfaction, switch back to View mode. This perspective lets you see how the scorecard appears to others, and it's a great way to verify that all elements, especially date controls or filters, function as intended. Finally, position your scorecard strategically on your dashboard. KPI scorecards are typically placed at the top of a page. This not only ensures that they are among the first elements noticed, but also enables quick visibility of key performance indicators. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a dynamic and informative scorecard that enhances your report. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.